Choosing between gravel bikes and road bikes. Gravel bike versus road bike, a battle as old as cycling itself, or at least as old as the invention of gravel bikes. These two mighty steeds of the cycling world may look similar, but don't be fooled, because they each have their own unique strengths and quirks. Strap on your helmet and get ready for a ride down the road less traveled. When it comes to gravel bikes and road bikes, history plays a key role in understanding their differences. Road bikes, with their sleek frames and narrow tires, have been the darlings of the cycling world for decades. But then came gravel bikes, born out of a rebellion against smooth roads and a desire to explore the unbeaten path. With their wider tires and sturdy frames, gravel bikes offer the freedom to conquer gravel roads, dirt trails, and even bumpy terrain, ensuring that no adventure goes unexplored. In fact, did you know that gravel bike sales have been skyrocketing in recent years, reflecting the growing popularity of off-road cycling? When it comes to gravel bikes versus road bikes, the main difference lies in their versatility. Gravel bikes are built to handle rougher terrains and have wider tires for more stability, while road bikes are designed for speed and efficiency on paved roads. While road bikes are faster on smooth surfaces, gravel bikes are better suited for off-road adventures. Both bikes have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your preferences and the type of riding you enjoy. The superiority of gravel bikes and road bikes. When it comes to the great debate between gravel bikes and road bikes, there are numerous factors to consider. Both types of bicycles have their merits, but gravel bikes, with their versatility and durability, often come out on top. Gravel bikes are designed to tackle a variety of terrains, making them ideal for riders who crave adventure and exploration. On the other hand, road bikes excel in speed and efficiency, allowing riders to zoom along paved roads effortlessly. In this article, we will explore the superiority of gravel bikes over road bikes in terms of terrain adaptability, comfort, and durability. Terrain adaptability. One of the main advantages of gravel bikes over road bikes is their terrain adaptability. Gravel bikes are designed to handle a variety of surfaces, including gravel roads, dirt paths, and even rugged trails. With their wider tires and sturdier frames, gravel bikes provide stability and control on uneven terrain, allowing riders to confidently navigate through challenging conditions. Whether you're exploring the countryside or tackling off-road adventures, a gravel bike is the perfect companion to conquer different types of terrain. On the other hand, road bikes are primarily designed for smooth, paved surfaces. They feature narrow tires and lightweight frames, which optimize aerodynamics and speed on the road. While road bikes may excel on asphalt, they struggle on unpaved or rough surfaces. The lack of tire traction and suspension can make the ride uncomfortable and unstable, compromising the rider's control and safety. Gravel bikes, with their ability to handle a wide range of terrain, offer riders the freedom to explore and venture off the beaten path. Whether it's rolling hills, muddy tracks, or gravel trails, a gravel bike can handle it all. The versatility of gravel bikes opens up a whole new world of cycling possibilities, allowing riders to embark on thrilling adventures beyond the confines of the road. Comfort. Another area where gravel bikes outshine road bikes is comfort. Gravel bikes are built to provide a more comfortable riding experience, especially on longer rides or rough terrains. The wider tires and lower tire pressure of gravel bikes help absorb vibrations and bumps, reducing fatigue and enhancing overall comfort. Additionally, many gravel bikes come with features like disc brakes and suspension systems, further enhancing the smoothness and comfort of the ride. Road bikes, with their focus on speed and efficiency, often sacrifice comfort. The narrow tires and rigid frames of road bikes transmit more of the road vibrations to the rider, leading to a bumpier and less comfortable ride, especially on uneven surfaces. The aggressive riding position of road bikes, with the rider leaning forward, can also put strain on the neck, back, and wrists, leading to discomfort during longer rides. If you're looking for a bike that can handle long rides or rough terrain without sacrificing comfort, a gravel bike is the way to go. The combination of wider tires, lower tire pressure, and additional comfort features make gravel bikes a more enjoyable option for riders seeking a smoother and less taxing cycling experience. Durability. When it comes to durability, gravel bikes also hold an advantage over road bikes. Gravel bikes are built to withstand the rigors of off-road cycling, with stronger frames and components designed to handle rough terrain. The wider tires of gravel bikes provide better traction and durability, reducing the risk of punctures and flats. Additionally, gravel bikes often have stronger braking systems, such as disc brakes, which offer more stopping power and reliability. Road bikes, with their lightweight frames and narrow tires, are more vulnerable to damage and wear when ridden on rough surfaces. The delicate components of road bikes, such as rim brakes, are susceptible to damage from debris and constant braking. Moreover, the narrow tires of road bikes make them more prone to punctures and flats, which can be a hassle to fix, especially during a ride. For riders who seek a bike that can handle the demands of adventurous and unpredictable terrains, a gravel bike is the clear choice. The durability and robust construction of gravel bikes make them suitable for off-road excursions, ensuring that riders can enjoy their cycling adventures without worrying about potential damage or breakdowns. The verdict. While road bikes have their advantages, especially for those who prioritize speed and efficiency on paved surfaces, gravel bikes offer superior adaptability to various terrains, enhanced comfort, and increased durability. The ability to tackle different surfaces and exploration opportunities combined with a more enjoyable and comfortable ride make gravel bikes the ideal choice for riders seeking adventure and versatility. So if you're looking to break free from the confines of the road and embark on thrilling cycling adventures, it's time to hop on a gravel bike and let the journey begin. Thanks for watching the videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.